Sponsors and partners, hope you're having a great start of a week. October is tomorrow, and we have a great bunch of classes for you to partner up with. We have either what's called option A or option B. Option A means you choose your own date, time, class, instructor, if you want to charge or not, and we'll actually put it on our website so they can sign up and pay. And we'll market it for you with our 45,000 people on our list. And I'm talking about my fellow realtors. The other thing we do is what's called option B, which means you simply piggyback off of class dates and times that we already have available. It's only $100 to do that. And once again, you get to pitch your service or your product with your flyer up there. And we once again market it for you. We take registration for you, and we give you the list of agents who came to the class. You can go ahead and market them as well. Let me know if you have any questions. The dates are down below. Look forward to working with you on one of our wonderful ADRE CE classes. Thank you very much. Have a great week, and Techie out.